There goes the bathroom. Praise the Lord, no one was hurt who lived in this house or the one next to it, but unfortunately their house was unlivable.